it's Marina from Say Something Crafty. I'm here to do a project share with you. This is one of my fabric journals that I made with Halloween fall type themes that I was doing, and this is another one. This one is smaller. I think it's 7 by 4, 4.5 by 7, almost 8. Yeah, it's like 4.5 by 8. So this just has a tuck in the back. And this was gifted to me. This charm was gifted to me a really long time ago, and I couldn't think of what to use it on. And I've been wanting to use it, and I think it goes really good with this journal. So I'm glad I saved it. And then I put some gears on the cover. And inside it has some of that, if you have not seen my other journal cover, or even seen any of my recent posts, and this is silk inside. It's super smooth. I love it. And then here I have this weird little thing I made out of parchment paper, some extra parchment paper, and I didn't want it to go to waste, so I made this little, you can't glue this parchment paper, so I just stapled it, and I thought it went really good with the theme. So I just have these little cards, these little Halloween cards from Steampunk spells in there. And then I tied this little, what is this? I can't think of it. Twine. This green twine on it. So that goes there. I added another gear and just layered on a few things for embellishments for this little card right here. And some random papers. Here is one of my altered bags, my altered paper bags for Halloween. One of the treat bags that I made. And it's got some tags in there from my stash. And is there anything else? No. Okay. And there. Parchment paper in here. This is a little tag that I made, or a piece of ephemera I made with some extras that I had, and those just tuck in there. And there's a little booklet here. And I have some sari silk ribbon and then some fibers just tied onto the side. And that is this one. I hope you guys enjoyed the flip through, and I will be back again soon with another journal flip through. If you have any questions, let me know, and I will see you guys next time. One sec, there we go. Bye.